Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rangba kajala ukan rat sangma hani resngi ulaya thu banak liang jong ulaya kren bat ke president jong ke Indian Olympic Association ke PT Usha lingba ke video conference ha ke jingdong lang kinong yalam ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association ha ke ni ke jinglang menteri rangba ula Pynsngew ke president jong ke IOA Halor ke Jingpynkhreh jong ke sarkar Meghalaya ban pedang bat penlong ya ke 39 National Games ha Snem arjar Pynsngew menteri rangba ulaya thu bahagi ni ke Snem kejala kala persang ban penbhai ki jakai lekai bat bantei ki kampen rai nak benta ki jing lekai ba pher kentup ya ki jing penbha bat penbyang ya ki JN Sports Complex ha Shillong YJ Stadium ha Janta Hills bat ka PA Sangma Integrated Sports Complex hatura bat ki wei ki jakai lekai ula pentip ru ba ka Shillong kala yo ban penlong ya ki North East Games House Nam Arja Puar ka South Asian Games House Nam Arja Khanriu bat hakini kilai Snem kila yo ban penlong man ka Snem ya ka Meghalaya Games.
The Indian Olympic Association, Madam PT Usha, had joined us in the video conferencing today, where we have requested the Indian Olympic Association to allow or to give the mandate to Meghalaya to host the next national games. The next national games will be 2 years later, that's 2027, and right now it's going on in Uttarakhand, and we have appealed to her and to the entire association that we would like to host the next national games, and that is what the meeting was about. As you're aware that the necessary paperwork was done in 2018, but since then many things have happened. There was COVID, other games did not happen in other locations, so on and so forth, so the process got delayed. There are a few states who are there before us who have also applied, and we have requested that if we can be given a preference above, over the other states who have applied, because of the fact that we are ready and we would like to have it in 2027. So, Madam has has listened to our request. She expressed certain concerns and issues that were there, not from Meghalaya's point of view, but from their point of view, that the procedures have to be followed. And she suggested me to obviously approach Government of India also in the entire process, and so that is a discussion. I don't think I can go beyond that right now, but that is the crux of the purpose of the video conferencing that we had with Madam PT Usha today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
No.